So today we are going to work on present to be forms. Okay, present to be forms, right, Vijay? So we are going to work on present to be forms. In present to be forms we use am, are, is, and in past to be forms we use was, were, was, and in future to be forms we use shall be and will be, and in future to be forms we use shall be and will be. So I'm going to explain you where to use am, are, is in present to be forms. In present to be forms. So this is the table which is very important to learn the uses of to be forms present. To learn the uses of to be forms present. So here is I am is a singular. So we are going to use a singular common noun with I am. Okay, Nandini, repeat after me. I am a student.
I am a student.
We are students.
We are students.
Okay, there is a plural. Okay, you are
Yes.
a student.
Are a student.
You are students.
You are students.
They are students.
They are students.
Ram and Sham are students.
Ram and Sham are students.
These are students.
These are students.
Those are students.
Those are students.
He is a student.
He is a student.
He is a student.
He is a student.
Ram is a student.
Ram is a student.
This is a student.
This is a student.
That is a student.
That is a student.
I am a doctor.
I am a doctor.
We are doctors.
We are doctors.
You are a doctor.
You are a doctor.
You are. Repeat after me, Shipraji, Vijay, Monica. Repeat after me, everybody. In mute status. In mute status. Repeat after me. Vijay, turn on your video. Monica, turn on your video. I am a doctor.
I am a doctor.
We are doctors.
We are doctors.
You are a doctor.
You are a doctor.
You are doctors.
You are doctors.
They are doctors.
They are doctors.
Ram and Sham are doctors.
Ram and Sham are doctors.
These are doctors.
These are doctors.
Those are doctors.
Those are doctors.
He is a doctor.
He is a doctor.
He is a doctor.
He is a doctor.
Ram is a doctor.
Ram is a doctor.
He is a doctor.
Sorry, sir.
He is a doctor.
Is a doctor.
That is a doctor.
That is a doctor.
Very good. Good job. Okay, now make the sentences. Shipraji, make the sentences. I am a shopkeeper. Make the sentences. Everybody make the sentences in mute status.
Yes, sir. तो क्या करना?
Start. I am a shopkeeper. Make the sentences. I am a shopkeeper. We are shopkeeper.
Okay. I am a shopkeeper. You are a shopkeeper. These are a shopkeepers.
Go according column number 1.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I am a shopkeeper. We are a shopkeepers. You are a shopkeeper. You are a shopkeepers. They are a shopkeepers. Ram and Syam are shopkeepers. These are shopkeepers. Those are shopkeepers. He is a shopkeeper. She is a shopkeeper. Ram is a shopkeeper. This is a shopkeeper. That is a shopkeeper.
Okay, I am Vijay. Make the sentences. I am a farmer.
I am a farmer. We are a farmer. You are a farmer.
I am a farmer. We are farmers. That is a plural, you know. We are farmers.
We are farmers. You are farmers. You are farmers. They are farmers. Ram and Sham are farmers. These are farmers. Those are farmers. He is a farmer. She is a farmer. Ram is a farmer. This is farmer. That is a farmer.
Very good. Monica ji, make the sentences. I am a bank manager.
I am a bank manager. We are bank managers. You are a bank manager. They are bank manager. Ram and Sita are bank manager. Those are a bank manager.
No. See, they are bank managers. That is the plural, you know.
Okay. They are bank managers. These are bank manager. Those are bank manager.
No, they are bank managers. Ram and Sham are bank managers. These are bank managers. Those are bank managers. Then he is a bank manager.
Okay. They are bank managers. Ram and Sita are bank managers. These are bank managers. Those are bank managers. He is bank manager. She is bank manager. Ram is bank manager. This is bank manager. That is bank manager.
Very good. Nandini, make the sentences again. I am a player.
I am a player. We are a players. You are a players. You are a players. They are a players. Ram and Sham players. These
Ram and
are
Sham
players.
are players. Ram and Sham are players.
Ram and Sham are players. These are players. Those are players. He is a player. She is a player. Ram is a player. This is a player. That is a player.
Very good. Shipraji, make the sentences, negative sentences.
Yes,
I
sir.
am not a teacher. We are not teachers. You are not a teacher. See, we are not teachers. Just repeat after me. We are not teachers.
We are not teachers.
So this is plural. You are not a teacher. First, you
You
is
are
a
not a
singular. You
teacher.
are not a teacher.
Hmm.
Second, you is a plural. You are not teachers.
Hmm.
They are not teachers. Ram and Sham are not teachers. These are not teachers. Those are not teachers. Okay. Now start.
Okay.
Sentences.
I am not a teacher. We are not a teachers. You are not a teacher. You are not a teachers. They are not a teachers. Ram and Shyam are not a teachers.
Not. Ram and Sham are
Ram
not
and Shyam
teachers.
are not teachers. These are not teachers. Those are not teachers. He is not a teacher. She is not a teacher. Ram is not a teacher. This is not a teacher. That is not a teacher.
Very good. Monica ji, make the sentences. I am not a singer.
I am not a single. We are.
Singer. Gaane ganara.
I am not singer. We are not a singers.
We are
You
not a नाही येणार. एक वचन बरोबर अ येणार नाही. We are not singers.
Okay. I am not a singer. We are not singers. We are not singers. We are singer. They are not singers. Ram and Sita are not singers. These are not singers. Those are not singers. He is not singer. She is not singer. Ram is not singer. This is not singer. That is not singer.
Okay, very good, very good. Vijay, make the sentences. I am not. Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I am not an officer.
Okay. I am not an in का sir?
An येणार. I am not an officer. एक वचन बरोबर an येणार. अनेक वचनासोबत काहीच येणार नाही.
Okay, sir. I am not an officer. We are not officer. You are
Officers.
not.
We are not
Officers.
officers.
Oh. You are not officers. They are not officers. Ram and Shar are not officers. They are not officers. Those are not officers. He is not officer.
He
She
is
is-
not an officer.
Oh, he is not an officers.
Officers नाही येणार. अनेक वचन नाही. एक वचन आहे ना रे.
She is not an officers. Officer. This is not an officer. That is not an officer.
ओके, अनेकदा सेम. म्हणजे तुम्हाला एक वचन अनेक वचन समजलं पाहिजे यामध्ये. बोला
Okay.
अनेकदा. I am not an officer. अनेकदा.
I am not an officer. We are not officer.
Officer
are
की
not
officers.
We are not officers. You are not officers.
नाही मी
You
तुम्हाला
are-
सांगितले ते दोन. ऐका विजय. दोन यू आहेत ह्यामध्ये. पहिलं यू म्हणजे तू एकटा म्हणजे एक वचन झालं. दुसरं यू म्हणजे तुम्ही सगळेजण म्हणजे अनेक वचन झालं. हे काही सेम नाही आहेत.
Okay.
पहिल्या ह्याच्यामध्ये काय येणार? यू आर नॉट अन ऑफिसर. आणि
Okay.
दुसऱ्या ह्याच्यात काय येणार? यू आर नॉट ऑफिसर्स.
Okay. You are not an officer. You are not officers. They are not
राम अँड श्याम
officers.
विसरताय तुम्ही.
Ram and Sham are not an officer.
अरे अनेक वचन बरोबर एक किंवा अँड दोन्हीही येणार नाही. राम अँड श्याम म्हणजे अनेक झाले ना.
हो बरोबर. Ram and Sham are not officers. These are not officers. Those are not officers. He is not an officer. She is not an
ऑफिसर्स येणार
officer.
की ऑफिसर येणार?
Officer.
हा.
She is not an officer. Ram is not officer. This is not
Ram is
officer.
not.
Ram is not an officer.
Correct.
This is not an officer. That is not an officer.
अनेकदा सेम म्हणजे तुमचा कॉन्फिडन्स वाढेल.
I am not an officer. We are not officers. You are an officer. You are not an officer. You are not officers. They are not officers. Ram and Sham are not officers. These are not officers. Those are not officers. He is not an officer. She is not an officer. Ram is not an officer. This is not an officer. That is not an officer.
Very good, very good, nice. Okay, Nandini ji, make the sentences. I am not. Okay, I am not a monitor.
I am not a monitor. We are not monitors. You are not a monitor. Right, na sir?
Correct.
You are not a monitors. They are not a monitors.
They are not monitors.
They are not monitors. Ram and Sham are not a monitors.
येते बोलता बोलता तोंडामध्ये.
Okay, sir. Ram and Sham aren't चालेल, sir.
Aren't पण चालतं, खरं are not बोला.
Are not, okay. Ram and Sham are not officers. These are not
Officers.
officers. Those are not officers. He isn't officer. She is
He
not,
is not
officer.
an officer.
An officer. He is not an officer. She is not an officer. Ram is not an officer. This is not an officer.
That is
not an officer.
okay. I am not a player.
I am not a player. We are not a players. Right, no, sir?
Correct.
You are not players. Yeah, you are not player. You are not a players. They are not players. Ram and Sham are not players. These are not the players. Those are not players. He is not a player. She is not a player. Ram is not a player. This is not player. That is not player.
Very good. Good job. Now questions. We'll work on questions. Nandini, repeat after me. Am I a doctor?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Continue. I think your kid is disturbing you, right?
Yes, wait, sir. Wait.
Yeah, fine. It's okay. Okay, Shipraji, repeat after me. Am I a doctor?
Yes, sir. Am I a doctor?
Are we doctors?
Are we doctors?
Okay, same now. Am I a doctor? Are we doctors? And are you a doctor? Are you doctors? The singular plural will not get changed. Only structure will get changed.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
Am I a doctor?
Am I a doctor?
Are we doctors?
Are we doctors?
Are
we doctors? Are you doctor? Are you doctors? Okay. Are
correct.
they doctors? Are Ram and Sham doctors? Are these doctors? Are those doctors? Is he a doctor? Is she a doctor? Is Ram a doctor? Is this a doctor? Is that a doctor?
Very good. Monica ji, make the sentences. Am I a minister? Okay, Vijay, make the sentences. Am I a minister? Make the questions.
Am I a minister?
Hmm.
Am I minister? Are we ministers? Are we ministers? Are you minister?
Are you a minister?
Are you a minister? Are you ministers? They are ministers.
Are they?
Are they ministers? Are Ram and Sham ministers? Are these ministers? Are those ministers? Is he minister? Is she minister? Is Ram minister? Is this minister? Is that minister?
Okay, very good. Good job. Monica ji, make the sentences. Am I a singer? Unmute yourself.
singer, na sir.
Okay, make the sentence. Am I an engineer?
Am I an engineer? Are we an engineers? Are
No,
you
with
engineer?
plural, you are not using a or an with plural.
Am I
An engineer.
engineer? An engineer. We are an engineer.
Are we? Third column. Are we engineers?
Are we engineers? Are you an engineer? Are they an engineers? Are
No,
Ram and
are
Sita?
they engineers? अनेक वचन
Are
आहेत ना बघा बघा. We, you, they, Ram and Sham, these, those, हे अनेक वचन आहे. अनेक वचन सोबत एक किंवा एन वापरायचं तर नाहीच आहे. फक्त अनेक वचन वापरायचं. इंजिनियरचं अनेक वचन इंजिनियर्स होणार.
Are they engineers? Are Ram and Sita engineers? Are these engineers? Are those engineers? Is he an engineer? Is
Correct.
she an engineer? Is Ram an engineer? Is this an engineer? Is that an engineer?
Okay, very good. Nandini ji, am I an officer? Okay, start. Am I an officer?
Am I an officer? Are we officers?
Correct. Huh?
Are you an officer? Are you officers? Are they officers? Are Ram and Sham officers? Are these officers? Are those officers? Is he an officer? Is she an officer? Is Ram an officer? Is this an officer? Is that an officer?
Very
Officer.
good. Officer. Okay. Rutuja, repeat after me. Rutuja. Video चालू करा व्हिडिओ. नंतर बोलायचं aren't I a doctor म्हणजे मी डॉक्टर नाही आहे का? Aren't we doctors? आम्ही डॉक्टर्स नाही आहे का? ऋतुजा, repeat after me. Aren't I a doctor? ऋतुजा.
Yes.
Okay, repeat after me. माझ्यानंतर बोला. Aren't I a doctor?
Aren't I a doctor?
Okay, चौथा कॉलम पाहतोय आपण. चौथा कॉलम, फोर्थ कॉलम. Okay. Aren't I a doctor? बोला.
Aren't I a doctor?
Aren't we doctors?
Aren't we doctors?
Aren't you a doctor?
Aren't you a doctor?
Aren't you doctors?
Aren't you doctors?
Aren't they doctors?
Aren't they doctors?
Aren't Ram and Sham doctors?
Aren't Ram and Sham doctors?
Aren't these doctors?
Aren't these doctors?
Aren't those doctors?
Aren't those doctors?
Isn't he a doctor?
Isn't he a doctor?
Isn't she a doctor?
Isn't she a doctor?
Isn't Ram a doctor?
Isn't Ram a doctor?
Isn't this a doctor?
Isn't this a doctor?
Isn't that a doctor?
Isn't that a doctor?
Okay, make the questions now, Nandini. Aren't I a pilot?
Aren't I
A pilot.
Aren't I a pilot? Aren't I a pilot? Aren't we pilots? Aren't you pilot? Aren't you pilots? Aren't they pilots? Aren't Ram and Sham pilots? Aren't these pilots? Aren't those pilots? Isn't he pilot? Isn't she pilot? Isn't Ram pilot? Isn't this
ऋतुजा, बोलायचं आहे
pilot?
तुम्ही पण यांच्यानंतर
Isn't
सर्वांनी
that
एकमेकांनंतर बोलायचं आहे. Okay, Monica ji, make the sentences. Aren't I a player? Unmute करा, unmute करा आणि बोला. Unmute करा.
Aren't I a player? Aren't we players? Aren't you a player? Aren't you players? Aren't they players? Aren't Ram and Sita players? Aren't these players? Aren't those players? Isn't he a player? Isn't she a player? Isn't Ram a player? Isn't this a player? Isn't that a player?
Very good. Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Aren't I a doctor?
Aren't I a doctor? Aren't वी आर डॉक्टर, बरोबर ना सर?
नाही नाही, बघा तिथे काय लिहिलंय.
आरंट वी डॉक्टर्स,
हा, करेक्ट.
आरंट यू डॉक्टर, आरंट यू डॉक्टर्स, आरंट दे डॉक्टर्स, आरंट राम अँड श्याम डॉक्टर्स, आरंट दिस डॉक्टर्स, आरंट दोज डॉक्टर्स, आरंट ही अ डॉक्टर,
इजंट आहे, इजंट आहे.
sorry, isn't he a doctor, isn't she a doctor, isn't Ram a doctor, isn't this a doctor, isn't that a doctor?
Okay, Shipraji, aren't I an accountant?
Okay, sir. Aren't I an accountant? Aren't we accountants?
Accountants.
Okay, accountants. Aren't you accountant?
Aren't you an accountant?
Aren't you an accountant? Aren't you accountants? Aren't they aren't they accountants? Aren't Ram and Syam accountants? Aren't these accountants? Aren't those accountants? Isn't he an accountant? Isn't she an accountant? Isn't Ram an accountant? Isn't this an accountant? Isn't that an accountant?
Very good, very good. Now from the first to end, who will tell the sentences from the first to end? First column, second column, third column, fast. First to end. Okay, first to end and fast. Okay, start. Shipraji, start.
Okay, sir.
I am a police officer. Start.
Okay. I am a police officer. I am not a police officer. इस तरह से?
Nice.
Yes,
एक
yes.
column ले लो.
Okay. I am a police officer. We are police officers. You are police officer. You are police officers. They are police officers. Ram and Syam are police officers. These are police officers. Those are police officers. He is a police officer. She is a police officer. Ram is a police officer. This is a police officer. That is a police officer. I am
Good.
not a police officer. We are not police officers. You are not police officers. You are not a police officer. You are not police officers. They are not police officers. Ram and Syam are not police officers. These are not police officers. Those are not police officers. He is not a police officer. She is not a police officer. Ram is not a police officer. This is not a police officer. That is not a police officer. Am I a police officer? Are we police officers? Are you police officer? Are you police officers? Are they police officers? Are Ram and Syam police officers? Are these police officers? Are those police officers? Is he a police officer? Is she a police officer? Is Ram a police officer? Is this a police officer? Is that a police officer? I am not.
Aren't I? That is pronunciation is aren't I?
Aren't I a police officer? Aren't we police officers? Aren't you police officer? Aren't you police officers? Aren't they police officers? Aren't Ram and Syam police officers? Aren't these police officers? Aren't those police officers? Isn't he a police officer? Isn't she a police officer? Isn't Ram a police officer? Isn't this a police officer? Isn't that a police officer?
Very good, very good. Good job. Now next, who is going to tell all these 4 columns? Okay, Nandini, start.
Okay, sir.
I am a singer.
I am a singer. We are a singers. You are a singer. You are a singers. They are a singers.
येतंय. अनेक वचनला घ्यायचं नाही.
Okay,
I
sir.
am a singer. We are singers.
Okay.
अनेक वचनला नाही घ्यायचं. Start.
I am a singer. We are a singers.
Correct.
येते का सर? नाही नाही ते.
येतं.
We are singers. You are singers.
You are a singer.
You are a
पहिलं
singer.
यू एक वचन आहे, दुसरं यू अनेक वचन आहे.
Okay,
पहिल्यापासून स्टार्ट. निवांतपणे
Yes,
घ्या नंदिनीजी, निवांतपणे.
Yes, sir. Yes. I am a singer. We are singers. You are singer. You are singers.
यू आर अ सिंगर आहे. पहिलं अ सिंगर आहे
हो
ना.
म्हणलं ना
एक
सर
वचन आहे.
पहिलं
नाही म्हटलं आलं नाही ऐकू. मला ऐकू
Okay,
आलं
sir.
सॉरी.
Okay, sir. I am a singer. We are singers. You are a singer. You are singers. They are singers. Ram and Sham are singers. These are singers. Those are singers. He is a singer. She is a singer. Ram is a singer. This is a singer. That is a singer. I am
Good job,
not a
good job.
singer. We aren't singers. We are not We are not singers. You are not singer. You are not singers. They are not singers. Ram and Sham are not singers. These are not singers. Those are not singers. He is not a singer. She is not a singer. Ram is not a singer. This is not a singer. That is not a singer. Am I a singer? We are we singers? Are you singers? Are you singer? Are you singers? Are they singers? Are Ram and Sham singers? Are these singers? Are those singers? Is he singer? She singer? Singer? Is Ram singer? Is this singer? Is that singer? Am I not?
Aren't I?
Aren't I? Aren't I singer? Aren't we singers? Aren't you singer? Aren't you singers? Aren't they singers? Aren't Ram and Sham singers? Aren't these singers? Aren't those singers? Isn't he singer? Isn't she singer? Isn't Ram singer? Isn't this singer? Isn't that singer?
Very good. Good job. Monica.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am a player.
I am a player. We are players. You are a player. You are players. They are players. Ram and Sita are players. These are players. Those are players. He is a player. She is a player. Ram is a player. This is a player. That is a player. I am not a player. We are not players. We aren't players. You are not players. They are not players. No. Sorry.
You are not a player.
You are not players. They are not players. Ram and Sita are not players. These are not players. Those are not players. He is not a player. She is not a player. Ram is not a player. This is not a player. That is not a player. Am I a player? Are we players? Are you a player? Are you players? Are they players? Are Ram and Sita players? Are these players? Are those players? Is he a player? She is a player. Is Ram a player? Is this a player? Is that a player? Aren't I a player? Are not we? Are not I?
Aren't we players?
Aren't we players? Aren't you players? Aren't you a player? Aren't they players? Aren't Ram and Sita players? Aren't these players? Aren't those players? Isn't he a player? Isn't she a player? Isn't Ram a player? Isn't this a player? Isn't that a player?
Very good. Vijay Gaikwad.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am a monitor.
I am a monitor. We are a monitors. You are a monitor. You are monitors. They are monitors. Ram and Sham are monitors. These are monitors. Those are monitors. He is a monitor. She is a monitor. Ram is a monitor. This is a monitor. That is a monitor. I am not a monitor. We are not monitors. You are not a monitor. You are not monitors. They are not monitors. Ram and Sham are not monitors. These are not monitors. Those are not monitors. He is not a monitor. She is not a monitor. Ram is not a monitor. This is not a monitor. That is not a monitor. Am I a monitor? Are we monitors? Are you a monitors? Are you monitors? Are they monitors? Are Ram and Sham monitors? Are these monitors? Are those monitors? Is he a monitor? Is she a monitor? Is Ram monitor? Is this a monitor? Is that a monitor? Aren't I a monitor? Aren't we monitors? Aren't you a monitor? Aren't you monitors? Aren't they monitors? Aren't Ram and Sham monitors? Aren't these monitors? Aren't those monitors? Isn't he a monitor? Isn't she a monitor? Isn't Ram a monitor? Isn't this a monitor? Isn't that a monitor?
Very good. Good job. Rutuja, can you tell?
Yes,
Okay, start. I am a shopkeeper.
I am shopkeeper. We are shopkeepers. You are shopkeepers. You are shopkeepers. They are shopkeepers. Ram and Sham are shopkeepers. These are shopkeepers. Those are shopkeepers. He is shopkeepers. She is shopkeepers. Ram is shopkeepers. This is shopkeepers. That
एक वचन आहे. That is a shopkeeper. Okay. Nandini. Yeah, make it. I am a shopkeeper.
Start, sir.
Start from the first.
Okay, sir. I am a shopkeeper. We are a shopkeepers. You are a shopkeeper. You are shopkeepers. They are shopkeepers. Ram and Sham are shopkeepers. These are shopkeepers. Those are shopkeepers. He is a shopkeeper. She is a shopkeeper. Ram is a shopkeeper. This is a shopkeeper. That is a shopkeeper. I am not
Okay,
a
now
shopkeeper.
make now I am not an officer.
What, sir? Sorry.
I am not an officer. I am not.
I am not an officer. We are not officers. You are not an officer. You are not officers. They are not officers. Ram and Sham are not officers. These are not officers. Those are not officers. He is not an officer. She is not an officer. Ram is not an officer. This is not an officer. That is not an officer. Am I officer? Are we officers? Am I an officer? Are we officers? Are you an officer? Are you officers? Are they officers? Are Ram and Sham officers? Are these officers? Are those officers? Is he an officer? Is she an officer? Is Ram an officer? Is this an officer? Is that an officer? Aren't I? No, sir.
Correct, huh?
Aren't I an officer? Aren't we officers? Aren't you an officer? Aren't you officers? Aren't they an officer? Aren't they officers? Aren't Ram and Sham officers? Aren't these officers? Aren't those officers? Isn't he an officer? Isn't she an officer? Officer? Isn't Ram an officer? Isn't this an officer? Isn't that officer an officer?
Okay, very good. In this way, we talked about all the to be forms present. Tomorrow also we will have more discussion, but we will not continue now because we will get the confusion then. All right, we will not study more. All right, but now you can practice this all the tables with the help of common nouns. Okay, and now you should know without looking at the chart. I am a doctor. We are doctors. You are a doctor. You are doctors. They are doctors. Ram and Sham are doctors. He is a doctor. She is a doctor. This is a doctor. That is a doctor. I am not a doctor. We are not doctors. You are not a doctor. You are not doctors. They are doctors. They are not doctors. Ram and Sham are not doctors. He is not a doctor. She is not a doctor. This is not a doctor. That is not a doctor. Am I a doctor? Are we doctors? Are you a doctor? Are you doctors? Are they doctors? Are Ram and Sham doctors? Is he a doctor? Is she a doctor? Is this a doctor? Is that a doctor? Is Ram a doctor? Aren't I a doctor? Aren't we doctors? Aren't you a doctor? Aren't you doctors? Aren't they doctors? Aren't Ram and Sham doctors? Isn't he a doctor? Isn't she a doctor? Isn't this a doctor? Isn't Ram a doctor? In this way, everybody should know without looking at the chart. Without looking at the chart. So this is your homework for tomorrow. This is your homework for tomorrow. So you should be ready with this homework tomorrow. Okay. All right. Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Are you cheerful?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you excited?
Yes, sir.